The other day, some of my friends came over. One of them, eats 4 burgers for each meal. It's disgusting, especially when they smell and look like they've been dipped in toilet water that's been used at least 3 times. The other day, when he and some other friends were over, 3 of us were hungry. He had 4 burgers. We were starving and he didn't give us any. Not like we care, but still. Some other friends at my school are a little weirder than I am. There's one kid that dips pickles in cheese sauce and chocolate sauce, all that stuff. They taste terrible. I've had them before. They're really kind of boring. I've had better tasting food, like strawberries in ranch dressing. They're so good. Oh, they're the best. But grapefruit's not bad in ranch either. I personally like oranges in barbecue sauce, and I have a whole bunch of other friends that like them too.